Bafowethu, if there's one team in the Betway Premiership that has found a way of beating his Sundowns, Bafowethu, it's TS Galaxy. TS Galaxy have the formula of beating his Sundowns. That is Mamelodi Sundowns' hoodoo team. But the biggest news, Bafowethu, Orlando Pirates have got an opportunity of winning the Betway Premiership title over the weekend if they beat Durban City. Bafowethu, they only need 3 points in their last 2 games to be crowned the Betway Premiership champions for this season. After 8 years, Mamelodi Sundowns, they will not be lifting the Betway Premiership title if Orlando Pirates get the 3 points against the Durban City. Of which, I don't see Orlando Pirates dropping any points anytime soon, because this game is a motivation for to them to say, yes, let's go all out and win the league with a game to spare. Bafowethu, Angas, you can tell me, Bafowethu, what are your thoughts on the game, right? Because it doesn't matter at this point. Sundowns have lost the game, and the biggest story is Orlando Pirates have got an opportunity of winning the Betway Premiership title after a long time, Bafowethu. The last time they won it was back in 2012, if I'm not mistaken, right? They've got an opportunity of lifting it on Saturday, and it's going to be a treble for coach Abdeslam Wadu. But for Sundowns, Bafowethu, if Orlando Pirates win their game on Saturday, after I don't know after how long, Sundowns will be trophyless in South African football, Bafowethu. Like the domestic space, they would have not won anything if Orlando Pirates win their game against the Durban City. Salute, Bafowethu.
Nizwa-ke Sundowns, we've got more important things to focus on. Thina sibhekane ne-CAF final, sibhekane ne-CAF final. Okusalayo ibhakabhaka nje sengathi liyayithatha ileague. Vele le game against TS Galaxy aniluza ngamabomu, nishayiwe nje. We've got more important things to deal with. Thina, we've got the rest of Africa. Ayisakhulumi leyo nto leyo. If nje yona iPirates nje yenza the right thing kulama game awu-2 asele, it's gone. Vele ne-league benifuna ukuyithatha. Ningathi you're focusing on CAF. You are also focusing on the league as well, and you wanted to win the league as well. Danke TS Galaxy. Uyabona nje manje sekusele ukuthi nje ibhakani yafethu lenze nje the right thing, because nje njoba ngangisho, ngiyacela nje Nkosi yami uNkulunkulu, ngiyacela nje Jesu Kristu, ngiyacela ukuthi nje this season kube ibhakaniya nje elithatha ileague si right nje ngesandawana, abantu bafocus kule CAF abakhuluma ngayo.
Yabona nje indida ke lento eyenzekela kule game. Mamelodi Sundowns ibulawe ngenduku, ibulawa iTS Galaxy, rightfully so. But is this one rightfully so? Anyways, whatever. Yeah, but there are 2 ways we can look at this game. We can either talk about how poor Sundowns was with the game there, or we can talk about how great TS Galaxy was with the game, and I choose the latter. But we need to give credit to Lord Parker. Lord Parker and the players. Come on, dog. Come on. The game plan they had, I never would have imagined ETS Galaxy pressing Sundowns. The intensity. Those players were playing for Parker. It's like Parker had instilled some sort of belief on them. Sundowns. Remember, ETS Galaxy didn't have to win this game. They had qualified already for Betway Premiership next season. They secured their status long time ago. Okay, not a long time ago, but they did secure their status. Come on. That boy, no disrespect to ETS Galaxy, but that boy deserves to play for Big 3. One of the Big 3. And Janus Ndonga Bafet was so fantastic. Great game by ETS Galaxy and Bennett Park. Ukadoso Bafet is about to do something else up with Sundowns. Ukadoso Bafet never said
now that I've had time to calm down, we can look back at that game. TS Galaxy, what have you served up for us? Thriller of a match. Thriller. Well done to the TS Galaxy defense for holding on once they went 3-2 up, because Sundowns were coming from all angles. TS Galaxy playing on that transition ball, but Mamelodi Sundowns, that defense looks leaky. But obviously Mutawu was not there. They changed the back to maybe Kekana, and Ndamani could do better, but then again they conceded 4 goals on Saturday, so you just never know. Cupido's being missed in that defense. Maro's thrown Vala in, but yeah, TS Galaxy playing on transition, brilliant. And each time they got that transition, they were dangerous. They were dangerous, making Sundowns twerk each time on transition. Sundowns live wire Santos. Guys, Santos, you give me Santos is good. What? Santos will pass you. Santos will give you. Santos will feed you. There was a ball he played over the top where Leon headed to the keeper. If he headed across, could have been scenes now, could have been something else. But nonetheless, entertaining game of football, guys. As a neutral, I thoroughly enjoyed that. Sales, you're missing in the first minute. If Sales had scored that, maybe we'd be talking something different right now. But now it's in the hands of Orlando Pirates to lose it. And Pirates losing both games, obviously going into it right now, you can't see that happening because Pirates are taking non-stop. But yeah, what an entertaining game of football. Leon tried, but sometimes I think he was stingy at some stages. But you have to applaud TS Galaxy for a match because they rocked up to this game and they arrived, making sure they don't go to playoffs or get caught up in the yo-yo in the relegation zone. But yeah, brilliant game. I don't even know who to give man of the match to from TS Galaxy because how they played. The defenders held on for dear life. Even the keeper played well. And Williams, we need to have a serious discussion with Williams. Like I'm saying, you need to sharpen up, my brother. World Cup is coming up soon. And Mukwena, you need to rest. First off, Mukwena looked lethargic and tired and he wasn't up to the game. But yeah, Santos needed help there because I think for Sundowns, Santos was the only player creating everything. Sundowns weren't willing to put the ball away. Leshaku, Sabpo. See, the likes of Matthews and Reynolds probably should have started that game. But yeah, I guess they need to rest squad rotation for CAF Champions League. But nonetheless, what a good game. What a game.
Yo. Yes, excellent. TS Galaxy, we are very excitement. TS Galaxy is doing extra large, extra hot, extravaganza, extra mural. Basenzele lula boss. Ngosashayela izigeme ezimbili. Nangu ibaba. Hello sisi. Ngobuza office Mamelodi Sundowns ezo. Okay, good. Yes, uthetha noTumelo Trom. Speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates no-president abalandeli bebhola i-Afrika yonke jikelele, every Africa. TS Galaxy, we are very excitement. We are cruising nicely. Sorry? No, sisanzanga kuzonihleka ndizothi nje nihambe kahle. Nisebenze pha ku-CAF man, nifocuse ku-CAF, otherwise into eligi sanustressa ngayo man. Zizinto zakhona man, anizisoloko niyifumana into eligi man, iyekeleni kuthi ngoku kaniyeke nifocuse ku-CAF, ngenzeka ningayifumani naloo CAF. Usekhona utropile. TS Galaxy, wakhona umuntu ocimba singaziluza zombini ezigame ezishekileyo. Andikhaleli kwakuposition yabo.
Engabe yabenzani Sundowns labantu. Engabe yabenzani Sundowns. Yazi labantu can go 5 games without winning, but laba ke babona khona iskipa siyelo basibhaqabula. TS Galaxy bethu ingabhaqabulwa ngo-6-0 this weekend, but on Tuesday meke yabona ugqoka iskipa esiyelo nesikhindi esimhlophe, hayi mfana zizokhalela, abayifuni nokuyibona i-Sundowns, and they always meet them in games of high consequence. Yabona sanibona Hope Napila. When I made a video this morning, I said ukuthi football has patterns and it can be so poetic. Last time these two sides met was in a Nedbank Cup and the Sundowns were preparing for their CAF game, right? and they are meeting ETS Galaxy. They completely changed their starting 11 because they wanted to reserve some people for Ikeme Kef. They are meeting again under the same circumstances. Again, Mamelodi Sundowns does the same thing, right? They are not starting their usual backline. They are starting Undamane on the bench. I understand Umutau was suspended. Ulion started though, right? And Adams got a red card. So they made a lot of changes in their squad. Here's the thing about depth, right? Mamelodi Sundowns are one of those teams that have depth. But depth is only depth if they are able to win you games. If they can't win you games, then I can't really call it depth, because they should be able to go in every game if you do a rotation and win you that game. And unfortunately, in this game, Mamelodi Sundowns looked completely disorganized and out of shape. And that's the thing, ETS Galaxy has figured out how to frustrate, and not only frustrate, but beat Mamelodi Sundowns by not allowing them to play their usual game, right? And I want to go as far as saying the reason ETS Galaxy was beaten with that huge score margin by Orlando Pirates is because they couldn't frustrate them, because Badlali Bolet they both play Usain Bolt, right? So Orlando Pirates, they were never going to be frustrated if Uba Nigez Usain Bolt, because but now you are playing a ball playing team, and now you are frustrating them into playing Usain Bolt, and now you are putting them in trouble. And you must understand that there are different combinations now from the usual team that plays, especially with backline, right? They had to make some changes. So unfortunately, they were bound to crack under pressure, considering the circumstances in which they are playing under Mamelodi Sundowns. What a game! Who would have thought? Okusemqoka lana ukuthi ETS Galaxy were able to get 3 points wabo, and I'm not gonna lie, when we're doing our predictions in this game, I wouldn't have thought ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns would allow ETS Galaxy to take 3 points from them in such a crucial game, right? There was a point where they even played Ngama strikers out to Leon and Urenas, but unfortunately ETS Galaxy had become compact and they were defending very well, right? Zulu was immaculate in that defense, ETS Galaxy. So there was absolutely not going to be a winning formula. And the fact that our attackers were not linking up well in the first half, our attackers and Mamelodi Sundowns, they were playing with Osantozi, who else, Uletlaku, Sales, who doesn't really look fit in this game. And there was a lot of exhaustion. I'm not trying to give them excuses for Mamelodi Sundowns, but from how they played, they didn't look like a winning team. Otherwise, yeah, it could be wrapped for Mamelodi Sundowns in the league race against Orlando Pirates. Let me know what you think.
Asibingeleleko emndenini wethu aka TikTok selithambeme nje ilanga. It is ETS Galaxy 3. Abe bephenduka iBarcelona laba, abe bephenduka iPrime Barcelona laba, uLuis Suarez no Neymar no Messi laba mabebona Sundowns. Kodwa ke siyabonga ngani ngoba iOrlando Pirates ibukeka pole position to win this league oku 2025-26 season. Ngani ngoba iOrlando Pirates isele ngemuva ngemidlalo emibili, iMamelodi Sundowns iphambili ku number 1 ngo 3 points. Okuthi iOrlando Pirates, there is absolutely no way Orlando Pirates izodliwa ngomgqibelo eOrlando Amstel Arena. Lakhona seyithenge wonke amathikisi ukuthi isi sold out. Okuthi Orlando Pirates mayunqoba lo yamdlalo ngomgqibelo, mayunqo yafethu ngeke nikena amathikisi aphelile. Ngise KZN bafowethu and organize amathikisi ukuthi ngiyolala laphi ngoyibona ukuqeda. Nginikeni amathikisi ngihambe ngiyobuka iOrlando Pirates Amstel Arena ngomgqibelo ukuze mabenqoba sigijima esigcwala stadium, ngoba kobe sekusayiniwe kwacikicwa kwasayindwa kwasilwa kwadeliver ukuthi Orlando Pirates izintshasheli ingama champions of iBetway Premiership 2025-26 season. eOrlando amathikithi asoldwe out. iOrlando Pirates izoconfirma, izosha isigxivizo sokuthi ingama champions eBetway Premiership. Bafana bomlungu ngeke, this needs ukuthi ngibe seOrlando bafana. Hey, I need to be eOrlando Stadium. I need to be there. People were thinking, ETS Galaxy siyocela ukuthi stopele iSundowns. Hey lapha nalapha noma ETS Galaxy siyocela isenzele ifavor iswinele seSundowns ngo 6-0 lalela. ETS Galaxy sibambana ubhiyam. ngibona ukudlala mina ngibonile ngicela indonga ku Facebook ngathi akungena indonga ke manje bengizazi izohlupha idefense akukho umuntu wabusha sekungena indonga la ha bafana bayiphuthuma iSundowns bayiphuthuma wathiwa bese belahla lapha ha Congratulations TS Galaxy ngokuseva istatus sabo for next season ukuthi abasezurelegate sebeconfirmile hence kade bejabula ungazoyibuza bajabulela no baconfirmile ukuthi abasayi kuma playoffs noma kwi relegation signed sealed and delivered. Orlando Pirates needs only 3 points to win the Betway Premiership for 2025-26 season. Come on!
Oh wow, what a game. Mamelodi Sundowns 2 TS Galaxy 3. Kodwa ngeke ngayisho lo Mamelodi Sundowns ayidingi league even le lose kubona ayisho lutho because betrainela ukuyodlala ifinal le ngeSunday. Mamelodi Sundowns ayidingi league kubona ileague sifana nethambo esincancathi yaqeda inyama isilishiyela abadlwana ukuthi belibange. Mamelodi Sundowns iprepare ukuyodlala igame enkulu kuyona ebalekile for bona Sunday. As for TS Galaxy congrats kubona bafowethu ibe yinhle igame kubona kubalekile kakhulukazi ku Bernard Parker uyi first win yakhe. Asibabonga kakhulu TS Galaxy ngokushaya Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi vele Mamelodi Sundowns kube bekufana ukuthi bakuyi training la be prepare a game enkulu engeSunday.
Bafethu nje ndala uthi Sundowns beyitrainer. Nje ndala uthi le game was not important Sundowns. If bengekho important, why did they go guns blazing the game le previous? As in futhi singamna kunje ndala siyamazi nje ndala. Huge supporter yakhe mfethu ngiyabuka content yakhe but hey some of the things ayisho mfethu umjito mfethu hey but into engayisho bafethu ukuthi I was expecting ukuthi mhlawumbe Sundowns izowina ngabo 4-0. Looking at how TS Galaxy has been and looking at how Sundowns now feel to like went rampant like game edlulile, you know. I was expecting maybe boma 4-0 so because like TS Galaxy has been leaking lately, dog. They even lost in Nedbank and I was vouching for TS Galaxy with Nedbank ukuthi they have to win it. Uteam sekazi mfethu deserve mfethu mhlawumbe iNedbank or beka deserve la Nedbank layer because of the way he runs his team. I think it's other than the big three, Stellenbosch and TS Galaxy are my favorite teams mfethu. Yeah, but into engayisho amapaka ukuthi we are almost there. We are almost there. And anything ukuthi I don't see us losing to Durban City. Futhi angifuni ukisho lento leyo because you can't just write off my team and be like lapha so well swing. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. So as much as ngazi ukuthi wina, I'm also praying ukuthi ama player Peters as a player and coach wa the team mfethu ula uvuleke kahle the team mfethu for me because we need it. We need it mfethu. Angazi ubani mfethu mhlawumbe umuntu ongangithengela itikiti mhlawumbe ngisithole ngiso-Orlando nami angifuni ukungena phakathi. I just want to be outside so that uma swina final uma kumakhali iwisile ogcina dog I can just mfethu we are almost there. We are almost there. One game left. Le obithi noma ngathiwa manje bayithatha bayisestadium esincane bayiselokishini. We don't care. We don't care. It can be important the Saturday and we have to win it. Yo, I feel like it didn't mean it, bro. Hey, I feel to and subscribe. I feel to try ukuthi nibuka nama ads ngakhohlwa ukuthi nibuka ama ads ne. But other than that, I feel to ngizombona on Saturday against the Pirates ne Durban City ne Chiefs ne she's namaZulu I think. Yeah, ngiyabonga bafethu.